Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Jess in Louisiana on the RCI-2950DX6. Jess, you ordered it with a basic tune alignment. We did just that for you. Going ahead and show you with the RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. That's your 2 watts all the way down. So roll it all the way up. 20 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low 50 watt bird. 100 watt slug and peak, low 100 watts PEP. Go over here to sideband, hello, about 90 on sideband. All right, Jess, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.